Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and preparing the launcher. This prevents loss. First, backup %app data %backslash. Minecraft /saves and resource packs. Once done, sign out of your account, then fully close the launcher via Task Manager. Next, find launcher profiles, JSON or the newer accounts directory and make a copy. This gives you a rollback. Doing these steps now saves time later and isolates the profile issue, so you can edit or replace corrupted files safely without guessing. Once you have backups, repair the profile data directly. Delete launcher profiles, JSON or remove the specific account folder that matches the failed profile, then restore a clean copy if needed. Make sure to run the launcher as administrator so it can write files. Verify you use the launcher's bundled runtime or a compatible Java. Wrong Java breaks profile creation. Then sign in with your Microsoft or Mojang credentials and complete any two-factor prompts so the launcher can register a fresh profile entry properly. To finish, create a new profile. Pick the Minecraft version, adjust JVM arguments if needed, save, and launch into a new world to confirm success. If profile creation still fails, clear the launcher cache and %app data %backslash. Minecraft /assets, then reinstall the launcher to remove persistent corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: verify your PC's clock and time zone match internet time and ensure account migration completed. Mismatched time or incomplete migrations commonly block authentication, causing profile creation failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.